Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the driving controls in my summer car. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Press the escape button. Then make sure you're in the driving controls. Here you can assign steering from left to right. Simply to change the keys, simply press the space here and input a new movement key. As you can see, all the movements are represented under Controls Debug. You can also change the non-combined axis, the throttle axis, brake axis and clutch axis. So it is currently under W, S and X, as you can see. Assign combined axis, throttle axis, brake axis, clutch axis. W, S, X. Assign buttons. That goes the same way. And invert or normalize the pedals. You can invert the throttle, brake and the clutch. You can normalize them, which is represented there under Controls Debug. You can also do both. In this other settings window, you can change the steering dead zone, throttle dead zone, brake dead zone, clutch dead zone and calibrate. This goes between 1 and 0. Hitting calibrate, honestly don't know how it works. I assume you have to be in a vehicle to calibrate it, because when outside it doesn't do anything. And of course I already explained the Controls Debug. Once you made your changes, simply press resume. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.